Hey, so here's how you can lock Instagram on your iPhone using Face ID. First, you have to open up your settings on your iPhone and go to Face ID and passcode option. And here you have to make sure Face ID is already set up on your device. If it's not, simply set it up from here and complete the process. Once Face ID is ready, go back to your home screen. Now just press and hold on the Instagram app. And from the menu, you will find this Record Face ID option, and you can also choose Hide and Record Face ID. But I will go for Record Face ID only, and that's it. It will detect you and set it up automatically. Now whenever you try to open Instagram, your iPhone will scan your face and the app will only open after Face ID verification. It's a simple and secure way to protect your Instagram account on iPhone. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.